What's up, guys? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com. Today I have a 2002 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Start here in the back. See that rear tire is a little worn down. I'm gonna call it maybe like 30%. Safe to ride on. Don't know if it would pass the state inspection or not. In the back here, of course, you have your tail light, your two turn signals, have your license plate holder there. All this stuff is as it is. Here on the rear fender, we got a little bit of a chip right there. My pointer finger, it's a little bit hard to see, but it is there. And we have these light little scratches in here, little scratch there. And then up here on top of the fender, we have this chip here, and we have some like fading in here. I'm not sure if it's all showing up, but it is there. So make sure I point all that out. Of course, the side of the fender is in pretty decent shape. Got the Harley Davidson bags there on the side. Leather is good on those. Got your chrome oil reservoir there. Of course, you have your passenger pegs. Get your rider peg. Got your rear brake. The Screaming Eagle air filter. Here is the motor. That V-twin. Of course, it is a 5-speed, as stated there. Here on the side of the tank, we got a little chip right there that I wanted to point out, and a little scratch right there as well. Other than that, the tank's in pretty decent shape. Badge is good. Let's keep moving around the side. So, of course, you can see got the spoked front wheel there. Spin around just a little bit. See, those fork tubes are in good shape. Upper and lower. Got the spike there in case you're into that. See the fork tubes on this side. There they are. Of course, you got the matching spike there. Got your front brake there. You can see that spoked front wheel from this side. See the front tire. It's a little bit better than the back tire. I'm gonna call it maybe 40%. Decent amount of tread there. Here on the front fender, got a little white mark right there above my pointer finger. Got a light little scratch right there, right there. I mean, overall it's not too bad, but I do want to point out the little marks that it does have on it. Of course, you have the headlight. It's got those different bars on it. You got that front bag. You got the turn signals and the mirror up there. Mirrors. Spin it around. Jump right in here on the tank. So there is a dent here on the side of the tank that I wanted to point out. See if I can get the light on it. There's the light. So the light makes it look a lot worse than it is, but I do want to make sure that you see it. So there's the dent there. And we got some little scratches, little chip there, little mark right there, two little marks right there, and nope, that's not a mark, just something that came off my finger. Show you the motor from this side. There's all that. This bike is carbureted, so there's your choke, there's your fuel shutoff valve. Of course, you got your horn cover, got your rider peg, got your shifter, got your passenger peg there. So you have that chrome battery box with the Harley Davidson on it, transmission. There's your swing arm, of course, going back to the rear wheel. Got that chrome side cover. Bag on this side is also in nice shape. The leather is nice. Got a little tiny bit of rust right there, but hardly any at all. There is some there though. And this side fender is pretty decent. That's just gonna wipe off my finger. Yes, it is. Thought that was a scratch. It is not. It's just a little smudge. So that came off. You have that Harley Davidson. You got that Sportster seat. So the passenger seat and the rider seat are all one piece. Looks like it is in pretty nice shape. There are these one little white mark there and one little white mark right there. They're not tears. I'm not really sure what they are, but they are there. Coming up over the tank, of course you have your fuel cap, your gauge, make sure you have your clutch and your controls and your mirror, your throttle, brake, mirror, and the ignition is down here, so let's turn that on. There is 18,318 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. I'm gonna fire this thing up. There's that. Make sure these turn signals work. Put your front one on that side. Put your front one on this side. Ooh. Ooh, looks like that is just on or off. And get nose to rear signal there. Get rear signal on this side. I'm gonna guess it's probably that rear ball that's out. Get that replaced. Other than that, good to go. All right, guys, like I said, this is a 2002 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. Don't miss out on this thing. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.